Animals are often thought to be fiercely independent, but many species have incredibly strong parental instincts that drive them to protect their family and young. Regardless of species differences, all animals share some basic characteristics, such as the ability to move, grow, reproduce, and most importantly, defend their young. Animals are well known for having strong protective instincts. This can be seen in a wide range of species living in various regions around the world. Welcome back, guys. Hope you are doing well. Today we will discuss how animals raise and protect their babies. Before we start, make sure you hit that subscribe button with notifications turned on to get notified when we update videos like this one. Here we got a list of animals, so let's get into it. Chimpanzees. Chimpanzees are highly social animals that live and work together in groups ranging in size from 15 to 150 members. They are omnivorous and are capable of hunting monkeys and other large animals. They are also intelligent and capable of using tools, communicating with one another through a variety of vocalizations, and displaying emotions such as happiness, anger, and sadness. Chimpanzees are omnivorous in terms of diet and have been observed hunting small mammals such as monkeys and bush babies, as well as eating insects and fruits. They have also been observed using tools to aid in their hunting and food gathering efforts, such as extracting termites from their mounds. Dolphins. Dolphins are well known for their highly social behavior and strong bonds within pods or herds. They frequently collaborate to hunt, protect, and care for their young. Dolphins raise their young in an unusual manner. To encourage her baby to swim, the mother dolphin will swim close to it, touching and nudging it with her nose. Dolphins use a variety of tactics to keep predators away from their young. They will surround the baby and swim in tight circles around it, forming a protective barrier. If necessary, they will use their sharp teeth and powerful tails to fend off predators. Elephants. Elephants are highly intelligent and social animals that live in herds led by a matriarch, who is typically the oldest and wisest female in the herd. When a female elephant gives birth, the herd's other females gather around her to protect and care for the newborn baby. To protect the baby from predators and other threats, the entire herd will band together. The mother elephant will be especially protective of her baby, often shielding it with her body. Elephants have strong family bonds and will frequently form lifelong relationships with other elephants in their herd. Otters. Otters are aquatic mammals that are members of the weasel family. They are well known for their playful nature and ability to swim and hunt in water. Otters make excellent parents, going to great lengths to protect and raise their young. For several weeks, the mother otter will nurse and groom her young until they are strong enough to swim and hunt on their own. One of the most fascinating aspects of otter parenting is the way they protect their young. Otters are well known for constructing elaborate nests in rivers and other bodies of water. These nests, which are made of vegetation and other materials, provide a haven for the mother and her babies. Kangaroos. Kangaroos are marsupials known for their unique way of raising their young. Female kangaroos, also known as gills, have a pouch known as a marsupium in which their babies, known as joeys, develop and grow after birth. After birth, a joey crawls from the birth canal into the mother's pouch and attaches itself to one of the four teats. The joey stays in the pouch for several months as it develops and grows while nursing on the mother's milk. Kangaroos are fiercely protective of their young and will fight to protect them if they believe they are in danger. The mother kangaroo is also very sensitive to the needs of her joey and will adjust her behavior and movements to keep the joey safe and comfortable. Wolves. Wolves are highly social creatures that live in packs led by a dominant male and female pair. The breeding pair, their offspring, and occasionally other related wolves make up the packs. Wolves have a very organized and dedicated approach to raising their young. Female wolves give birth to litters of pups in a den, usually between 4 and 6. Wolves are known for their fierce pack loyalty, which extends to their protection of their young. The pack will use their numbers and formidable hunting and fighting skills to protect the den and the young pups from predators and other threats. As the pups grow older and more self-sufficient, they gradually begin to play a more active role in the pack, eventually leaving to form their own packs and restart the life cycle. Hyenas. Hyenas are highly social animals that live in clans that can have as few as a few individuals or as many as 80 members. They have a matriarchal social structure, which means that females rule over males. When a female hyena gives birth, she usually does so in a well-protected and predator-free den or burrow. For the first few weeks of their lives, the mother hyena will stay in the den with her cubs, nursing them and keeping them warm and safe. Hyena cubs rely heavily on their mother for protection and survival, but they are also raised by the clan's other members. Female hyenas frequently care for each other's cubs, and even males will occasionally assist with babysitting duties. Orcas. Orcas, also known as killer whales, are highly intelligent and social animals that live in pods, which are small family groups. Pod members work together to raise and protect their young, with mothers and other pod members caring for and protecting the calves. When a baby is born, it is immediately accepted into the pod and protected from predators. The baby is milk dependent, and its mother will nurse it for up to 2 years. Orcas have a strong sense of family and are known to spend their entire lives with their mothers and family members, forming strong bonds that last for decades. This cooperative and protective behavior contributes to the pod's and the species' overall survival. Lions. Lions are social animals that live in pride made up of several females, their cubs, and a few males. A lioness hides her cubs for the first few weeks after birth, only leaving them to hunt for food or drink water. They frequently take turns babysitting the cubs while the mother is out hunting, and they may also assist in providing food for the cubs. The pride's male lions, known as pride males, also help to protect the cubs. They will protect the pride from any potential threats, such as other predators or competing male lions. As the cubs grow older, they begin to accompany their mother and other lionesses on hunts, where they learn important survival skills. Emperor penguins. Emperor penguins have an unusual method of protecting and raising their young. These penguins are found in the Antarctic and live in large colonies that can number in the thousands. The breeding season for emperor penguins begins in April or May, when they find a mate and build their nest. The female lays a single egg and transfers it to the male, who incubates it on his feet, beneath an abdominal skin flap, to protect it from the harsh Antarctic winds and cold. Emperor penguins also have a distinct vocalization system that allows them to identify their chicks in a large penguin colony. The parents will call out to their chicks, and the chicks will recognize and follow their parents' call to be fed. Cheetahs. Cheetahs are solitary and elusive creatures that hunt alone. Female cheetahs, on the other hand, are social animals that stay with their young for up to 18 months after giving birth. They protect and raise their cubs in various ways during this time. Female cheetahs, on the other hand, establish a small home range where they raise their young. Until her cubs are old enough to hunt on their own, the mother cheetah will hunt and provide food for them. She'll also teach them important skills like stalking, chasing, and killing prey. Female cheetahs are devoted mothers who carefully protect and raise their cubs. They provide food, teach necessary skills, and keep a close eye on their children until they are self-sufficient. Polar bears. Polar bears have strong maternal instincts, and females will go to great lengths to protect and raise their young. Female polar bears give birth to 1 to 3 cubs after a gestation period of 6 to 9 months. The cubs are born helpless and small, weighing only about 1 pound each. They are born blind and completely reliant on their mother for warmth, protection, and nutrition. The mother will gradually teach the cubs how to hunt and provide for themselves as they grow and become more independent. The cubs will have learned enough from their mother by the age of 2 to be able to survive on their own. The mother bear will continue to protect and defend her cubs even after they have left her care. Orangutans. Female orangutans can carry their babies for up to 9 months before giving birth to just one baby. When the baby is born, the mother takes care of it constantly, carrying it in her arms or on her back as she moves through the forest canopy in search of food. Mother orangutans are fiercely protective of their offspring and will defend them against any threat. They teach their young how to climb and navigate the trees, as well as how to find food and avoid danger. Orangutan mothers also spend a significant amount of time grooming their offspring and removing debris and parasites from their fur. That's all for today. We hope you liked this video. Let us know in the comments, how do these incredible animal parents show us the true meaning of love and dedication in the way they protect and raise their young? See you in the next video. Please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get new updates.